grew up as a kid waiting for these opportunities. We're living in the moment, man. It's a great day to get back on track, man.
Monday night, prime time, showtime. Where else would you rather be?
Tonight, the primetime spotlight shines on Cincinnati.
Go!
The atmosphere for night games is absolutely electric.
Start with us, Cowboys.
Who they say all beat them Bengals? Who they? Nobody!
Burrow under center, play action fake, 5-step drop, deep ball
baby.
for Chase.
Yeah.
Got it at the 5, touchdown!
Good run, boy.
Every ball you're there.
Yes, sir.
Every ball you're there.
Yes, sir. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Hey, what year is this for?
6. Why you ain't throwing over the ball? Why you ain't throwing over the ball?
First and 10 at the 29 of Cincinnati. Robinson stacked up.
Let's go! Hey, Logan. Ball. Hey, we good, fellas. Let's just play. Come on, Joe. Play. Have fun. Let's go. Find a way. Let's go.
Hands it off. Robinson grabbed by the feet, brought down by Sam Hubbard.
Yes, Sam.
Find a way. We gotta find a way. Find a f***ing way. Let's go. Hey, let's go.
Let's stop.
Yeah, King.
Let's go. They can't stop me.
That's up. I'm telling you, I'm really like that. I'm really like that.